than 8 years of experience in HR field. I'm working as a HR manager in Agro Global Resources Private Limited. It's a FMCG company, and I look after the whole gamut of HR there. This is my belief that it is very important to always update yourself with whatever going on in market, related to your field. So the objective was to keep myself updated and added new learnings in my skills. And when I enrolled, and the kind of course content mentioned in this course, and because in initially I was a bit reluctant because I'm not very much aware about loss eco courses and all that. But after having my detailed conversation with Ramanuj and the kind of doubts I had, the way he clarified, and of course the reason I had to pursue any short-term course motivated me to go for it. So the only the basic reason was to keep myself updated with the new things of related to the labor law and the other, which will help me to work into my profile in a better way. The course is still ongoing, but yes, the it could be anything. I'll give very basic example like maternity, PF, ESIC. This is something everyone working in HR in HR profile have to deal with. It could be, in fact, during March we had there was a lockdown because of this pandemic situation. So there were a lot of layoffs were happening. Migrant labor issue were there. So including maternity, ASIC, and all these topics were part of the course. So, for example, if it is ASIC, if ASIC related to ASIC, like which all how to approach in the case of accidents, what is the process? In case of inquiry, what is the process from 1 to 10? Everything is covered in a very detailed way. The way exercises are framed and the way students are asked to solve these exercises, we can frame in a way that in future it help us. We do not need to go back and do the homework again because the entire process is with you in writing. So I think this is the best part, the way exercises are designed, maternity, ASIC, PF, so many topics are there which are covered, and definitely these are helping us and will help us in because and maternity only is such a vast topic. There are so many things which you need to deal with. ESIC, Provident Fund. So, I mean, mostly we are these days. Everyone is depend on Google. कहीं पे आप अटके तो just go and do Google. But yes, practically you get to know things, and actually you know whom to approach, how to approach. What are the in case of inquiry happening? What are the major things you need to plan? Everything is in a very detailed way, and definitely it has helped me and will help me in future as well. During the live sessions, definitely if we are having any doubts, the faculties always listen and resolve our doubts. And even if after the session we came across with any doubts, we can always clarify our doubts in the feedback session. And moreover, not only that, in our exercises also, when we solve our exercise and submit them, after verification, the comments are there. It is not important that whatever you have submit is correct. So your, I mean, the verified assignments will have all the comments of the instructor of the or the faculty, and with the remarks that what is correct, what is not, and what can be done. So this is how it helps us. I would say that the gist is the overall course content is the more agile factor because it is not theoretical. I found it very practical in nature. because first of all, whether you are an experienced person, because I can suggest, I can say that it is not only experience, but it is good for freshers as well, because maybe even as an HR, it is not necessary that you are handling the entire area of HR. Maybe the role is limited to any particular area, maybe recruitments or anything could be employee engagement activities, or maybe anything. But the way this course is designed, and the way the live sessions are being conducted, the students find it's very practical in nature, because all the topics and the way these exercises are designed, as I said earlier also, are very much realistic. We can correlate with our day-to-day activities, and and most of the times the kind of situations or incidents are given in the exercises, we deal in our day-to-day work as well, or very much realistic in nature. So I think this is the best part of the course, very realistic approach, and content is designed in a very better way, and students are asked to write assignments, because theoretically it's become very so anything you do, you learn, if it is theoretical nature, it's more like you are just mugging up things, you're not learning anything. And doing things practically is like you're involving yourself and you're doing it yourself. And after submitting your exercises, the way it is verified, and you are getting the feedback also, this is again very much learning, because students are not hesitant in asking questions, and they at least they get to know whatever they have submit, whatever they have written, because the exercises, it's more of research, your analysis, and your thought, and include your thought process also. So the overall report which you get at the late, after your work submission, after your science submission, is again, you get to know about your weakness, your weaknesses also, and about what you have learned, and what you have whether it is correct or not, whatever you have mentioned in the assignment. So I think it is very much realistic and learning in nature. So I think this is course is very much relevant, not only for experienced people, but of course equally to the freshers also, who are willing to pursue their course in HR.